Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing really fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WorldRemit how to add card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yes, the WorldRemit lets you use a debit, credit or prepaid card to pay for the transfer when you send money online or in the app. The service accepts Visa, MasterCard and many prepaid cards, but not American Express, Union Pay or Dimes. Now, in order to add card, what you need to do is open up the WorldRemit app or the website on your browser. So simply head over and open up the app if you already have an app. Then simply tap on login on the bottom and you will find this page right here. Then enter in your email address, then your password, then simply tap on login. Then if you don't have one yet, simply create an account with your email and phone. Then next is to start a new transfer. Simply tap on send money on the link. Then choose the country you are sending to, then simply enter the amount you want to send. The next step is to choose how your receiver gets money. Select one of the receive methods like bank transfer, cash pickup, mobile money, and airtime top-up. Then next is to enter the receiver details. Simply add the recipient's name, phone number, bank info, etc. depending on the payout method you choose. Then next is to pay using your card. After entering the recipient info, you will get the payment screen. Now here, choose the debit or credit card as payment method and enter your card details like card number, expiry date, CVV and name of the card. WorldRemit may also ask for 3D secure or OTP verification from your bank for security, and once done, simply review and confirm by checking all the details, amount, fees, payment method and recipient info, and confirm and complete the transfer. And once ready, WorldRemit changes or charges the card and sends the money, and this way you can add a card to your WorldRemit and you can use it for later use as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.